I don't know what will happen with me. My future is just so unclear. I don't know what's going to happen in the next month. So there are a lot of alternatives. If you consider cancellation of the board examinations, there are so many alternatives. If you do not have ideas, I think us youth, we're all free. We're ready to give our ideas. We're ready to submit our ideas. Hi everyone, I'm Niharika Chaudhary, a class 12 CBSE student from Chandigarh for more than a year. Talking about boards, I think it's frustrating, to be very honest, because of the lack of clarity, the uncertainty, and the fact that I feel like I'm hanging midway with no directions. So it's obviously frustrating. And I cannot study because I just feel a lack of motivation at this point. Also, I cannot devote my entire self to either boards or entrances because, in the words of some famous Punjabi student, मैंने पता ही नहीं है मेरे नाल होना की है. I don't know what will happen with me. My future is just so unclear. I don't know what's going to happen in the next month. That's the kind of uncertainty that exists at this point. So it's frustrating again. And with all of this, I think it's not only affecting my career, my admission process, my productivity, my career opportunities, and most importantly, my mental health. With all that is going around us, it's just contributing to the panic and the anxiety. That is not right. Now, why I say that this affects my career opportunities is because of a very recent example. I had applied to this fellowship program that I was really looking forward to for a very long time. And I got selected. But I cannot take a decision because that fellowship program requires me to devote 6 hours a day. And agar boards ho gaye, then obviously I cannot manage 6 hours to that program and then managing my studies. That wouldn't be possible. Now, what do I even do? With this uncertainty and the delay in the announcement, this is costing me a fellowship program that I was looking forward to with all my heart. How would that be acceptable to me? No way. And I've seen so many friends and talked to so many friends who've lost their parents and who've lost their dear ones, and I understand it takes a huge mental toll. With all that happening, how can you conduct board examinations? At this point, and that too offline? Not happening. And for what? What is the value of these board examinations and these marks? Just to get admission into a good college that can otherwise be done through an entrance test or practical assessment or a CV and so many other things that these colleges have. So it does not make sense to me. So there are a lot of options that you can consider, and it's not necessary to conduct offline examination, and it's not even required mostly because you cannot risk the healthcare situation of the country. So there are a lot of alternatives. If you consider cancellation of the board examinations, there are so many alternatives. If you do not have ideas, I think us youth, we're all free. We're ready to give our ideas. We're ready to submit our ideas. But accept them. We are ready. So I think we should be given clarity. Offline examinations is a big no-no. Nobody wants to risk their life. So that is the best thing to do. We need an early decision and we need clarity so that we're a little clear about our future and what to do in those next few days and the next month. There are a lot of opportunities and a lot of things happening. We need a decision. That's all. We deserve clarity. We deserve certainty.